At South Arkansas College, our welding program prepares you for real-world work with hands-on training, modern equipment, and instructors who know the industry. You'll learn the core techniques employers expect, from metal cutting and arc welding to MIG and TIG welding, all taught to American Welding Society standards.
I see me in a big truck going out there in the oil field, welding on big pipes and stuff like that, or structure welding. Either way, I might have a business, you never know. So I see me like having a big career in welding. I love it.
This program is built for people who want to work with their hands, master a trade, and build something that lasts. You won't just learn how to weld, you'll learn how to operate, maintain, and apply the tools used every day in manufacturing, construction, and industrial settings. With options for day or evening classes, SouthArk makes it possible to train on your schedule while preparing for a career in a high-demand field. Students may also earn industry-recognized certifications through AWS and NCCER, helping you stand out to employers. If you're ready to turn skill into opportunity, your future starts here in the Welding Program at South Arkansas College.